Color highlighting and dust particles for this cinematic finish. With your image open in Photoshop, go down to New Adjustment Layer, Solid Color. From the color picker, choose a vibrant color to apply to your image and change the blend mode to color. Here we can see the color has affected the light and the dark areas of the image. To correct this, double click on your layer, go down to Blend If, Underlying Layer, holding Option key, click to break the anchor and drag to the right hand side. This will remove the color from the dark areas of the image, leaving it only in the light area. With a new layer created and a soft brush selected, here we're going to apply a light source to the image. Change the layer blend mode to screen and use a square bracket key to increase the size of your brush. Click inside the layer mask of your color overlay and grab the gradient tool. With the black to transparent gradient selected, we're going to feather out where the light touches your subject for a more natural finish. With your base layer selected, drag and drop your dust particle image into your document and overlay with a blend mode of screen for a more cinematic finish. Follow for more tips and tricks like this.